Happy day 5, everyone. That means after today, only 2 days to go, which are your weekend. So I hope that you can get all of these exercises in. Now, if you're not doing it Monday to Sunday, that's totally fine. So you may have started it somewhere in the middle of the week, and that's great. But again, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope that you're enjoying it and learning new things. All right, let's go ahead and get started this time in high plank, top of a push-up. Good, I want you to keep those hips lifted, and we're gonna lower the right forearm and then the left. You're gonna drop both of your feet to the right. You're gonna keep your chest forward, both forearms down. If you need to, drop the right knee. We're gonna lower and lift and lower and lift. So it's a different kind of oblique exercises where both forearms are down. Let's do 4, up, 3, up, 2, up, 1 more, hold. Now raise your right leg for 4, 3, 2, put it down, come to center, straighten the right, straighten the left. Good. Now, knees to chest for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop the left and the right. This is how we start to put it together. Both heels move to the left, okay? We're gonna dip and lift and dip and lift. Good. Lower. Big push. Let's do 4. Just hold this if the dips are too hard. 2, 1. Now pick up that left foot. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Put it down and hold. 3, 2. Come back to center. Left, right. And now we're going to twist. 2, 3, 4. Good job. Drop your knees. Let's go ahead and lay on our backs. All right, guys. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take your arms to a T, knees at 90. You're going to hover them to the right. Hold, come back to center. Hover to the left, hold, come back through center. Good, hover, hold, center. Hover, hold, center. Good, now just go to the right for 4, bring it up, 3, bring it up, 2, bring it up. You have 1 more, hover, and bring it up. Side 2, we just hold and hover. We come back up, keep those feet and knees together. Come back up, 1 more, come back up. Raise your feet up. Good, place your hands next to you, lower one leg, and then crisscross those legs. Crunch up, you're gonna tap and lift, tap and lift. Good, 8, support your head, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Hold it. Good. Bring it up. Put that head down. Now the other leg comes down. Crisscross. Crunch up. Tap and lift. Tap and lift. Nice. 8. Up. 7. Keep it slow. 6. Up. 5. Oh, we're shaking. 4. Yes. 3, up, 2, up, 1, bring that leg up, bring the other leg up, hug your knees in. Hey, Minnie, it's okay. Good, rock side to side for me. Nice, from here, put your feet down on the ground. Now, we haven't even approached the full sit-up yet. So, utilizing the stomach pulled down, which we learned day 1, hand behind the head or arms crossed, exhale, come up. Good. You can also have your arms kind of like robot arms right here. The goal is to keep those feet down. Now this movement isn't super functional except for that concept of like, sitting up and getting out of bed, which maybe you feel your abs in a lot more right now. Let's do 4. Good. Let's do 3. Good. 2 more. Let's do 2. You have 1 more right now. Come all the way up. Hold it. Nice. Way to work, guys. All right, let's lay down onto that back again for me. Now, what I want you to do is raise your legs to the sky. Good. Point or flex your toes. Pick one. Just engage your legs. You're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under. Hold, over, under, over, under. Now, how do you make it harder? Pick up your head. Over, under, over, under, over, under. Yes, 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 yes. Good. 4. We lower down. we come back up. 3, we lower down, we come back up. Good. 2, we lower down, we come back up. And 1, we lower down, and we come back up. Good. Exhale, hug those knees into your chest. Woo. Way to work, guys. From there, come on up. Let's flip it on over where we started. All right, so definitely getting in some good work here. Top of that push-up, you're gonna hold it, okay? You're gonna lift your right heel, lift your left heel. Lift your right, lift your left. So feel the top of that butt get engaged, okay? We've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend the knee, push, in, push, in. 2 more, push, in, push, switch sides, lift, in, push, in, push, in. 1 more. Good. Now hold high plank, top of that push-up for 4. Come on, get shaky. 3, 2, and 1. Right hand to center, reach. Now this time, instead of bringing the bottom knee in, you're gonna reach overhead, lift the top leg, crunch, crunch. Drop your bottom knee if you need to. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale, back to high plank. Side 2 for me. Left hand, rotate. Right arm, reach. Overhead, leg up, crunch, crunch, crunch. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, come back to center. Hold right here. Strong plank pose. You got 3, 2. Now, walk in plank forward. Walk in plank backwards. Walk in plank forward. Yeah. Walk in plank backwards. Barely lift those hands and feet. Forward. Yes. Back. Good. 1 more time forward. 1 more time back. Nice job, guys. Exhale, hold here. We're gonna go super plank, right, left. Good. Those arms are extended. The butt is not up here. It is flat. Bring it back, right, left. We're going left, right. We're in super plank. We're holding. 3, 2. Bring it back, left, right. 1 more time each side. Right, left, hold, right, left. Last time. Left, right, hold. Yes, yes, yes. Left, right. 3, 2. You did it. Day 5 is over. Heart rate should be up. Way to work. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm excited to bring you day 6 tomorrow and then 7, and you killed it. Good work, guys.